Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about a very important and emotional topic: street dogs. In India, street dogs are part of our everyday life. But how does India's situation compare with other countries? How do other nations manage community dogs, and what rules do they follow? Let's explore all of this in a clear and simple way. First, let us understand the Indian situation. India has one of the largest street dog populations in the world. In many cities, you can see dogs living on the streets, depending on local people for food and shelter. While many people are kind and caring, the growing street dog population sometimes creates challenges like dog bites, fear, and health risks. To address this, India follows a set of rules under the Animal Birth Control or ABC program. According to these rules, street dogs must be caught humanely, vaccinated against rabies, sterilized to control population growth, and then released back to the same place. Killing or harming street dogs is strictly illegal under Indian law. The main idea is to manage the dog population in a humane and scientific way. But how do other countries handle this same issue? Let's take a look at a few examples. In Nepal, the system is somewhat similar to India. Most large cities follow rescue, vaccination, and sterilization programs. Many NGOs and volunteers take care of community dogs. The goal is to protect both animals and humans through humane control. In Sri Lanka, the government runs a strong national rabies control program. Mass vaccination is done regularly, and street dog killing is banned. Sri Lanka has reduced rabies cases significantly in the past decade through consistent efforts. Now let's look at European countries. In many Western European nations, street dogs are almost non-existent. This is because they have very strict laws on pet ownership. Dogs must be registered, microchipped, vaccinated, and properly taken care of. If someone abandons a dog, they face legal action. Stray animals are taken to shelters, treated, and put up for adoption. Responsibility of dog ownership is taken very seriously. In Germany, the rules are extremely strict. There is a dog tax, which encourages responsible pet ownership. Every dog must be registered in the government system. If a dog is found on the street, animal control officers pick it up immediately and take it to a shelter. People are not allowed to feed or keep stray dogs on the streets. In Japan, stray dogs are very rare because people strictly follow pet rules. Every dog must be microchipped and vaccinated. Dogs with owners cannot be seen roaming freely. Unclaimed animals go to government shelters, but Japan also encourages adoption and responsible care. Japan focuses on prevention through discipline and awareness. In the United States, the situation varies by state. Some states have strong shelter systems. Stray dogs are picked up, treated, vaccinated, and placed for adoption. However, in some regions, overcrowded shelters lead to difficult choices. Still, strict pet regulations help keep street dog numbers low. When we compare all these countries with India, the differences become clear. In India, the street dog population is high because of open garbage, uncontrolled breeding in earlier years, and lack of strict pet registration. Many people feed dogs but do not take responsibility for vaccination or sterilization. However, India is improving through ABC programs, awareness campaigns, rescue groups, and animal lovers who support humane treatment. The best global model shows us that the solution is not cruelty but responsibility. Countries that have controlled stray dog populations have done so by ensuring that every dog is vaccinated, sterilized, and registered. They also promote strict laws against abandonment and ensure that people understand what responsible pet ownership means. So what can India learn from these countries? First, we need stronger implementation of ABC programs. Second, we need proper waste management so dogs do not depend on garbage for food. Third, we must encourage adoption instead of buying dogs from breeders. Fourth, we need strict pet registration and punishment for abandonment. And finally, feeding street dogs should be combined with supporting sterilization and vaccination. India can create a safe, humane, and peaceful environment for both humans and animals if everyone works together. Thank you for watching. If you like this informative content, please subscribe and share this video. See you in the next one.